YouTube, I'm back again with another video. This time I'm gonna be cooking my own version of Jamaican oxtail. Okay, my own version, okay? I'm gonna say that again, my own version, which is, let me show you what I'm gonna put in. I'm gonna show you guys what I mean by that. Here, come here. So what I did here earlier here, this is the oxtail here. I put 1.5 tables of ginger and 1.5 tables of garlic, and I leave it here for about, I'll say about 4 hours, and then I'm gonna be cooking. I'm gonna show you guys how to cook it. Over here, what I got here that I'm gonna be mixing it in a blender. I got bell pepper right here. I got thyme, onion, and a green onion. See, as you see here, I didn't put the Jamaican the hot pepper. The reason I didn't do that is because of I'm eating this with my kids. So I'm gonna show you guys what else I'm putting in here. I got the sea salt, black pepper, brown sugar that I'm gonna be frying a little bit just to give it a little that dark side, and it's gonna give it like a little sweetness into the meat. Okay, and I got here is all seasoning. You can buy it anywhere. All seasoning, 1 table and a half, and then 1 table of sea salt and a teaspoon of black pepper, and this is the cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. So I'm gonna fry this with the meat, but I'm gonna be blending this. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys all this goes in here. I'm gonna blend all this goodness into the blender. All right, I'm gonna blend this. I'm gonna put a little bit of lemon, a little bit of water, just to give it a little, so that it will give it a little spinning. Like that. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put this dark. It's dark enough. I'm gonna put a little bit dark soy sauce here. This thing is the easiest thing to cook. Trust me. When it comes to any cooking, you can make your own. Yeah, there you go. Blending is done. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna be frying the oxtail, and I'm gonna show you guys the end product soon. So let me just put it together first. I put a 1.5 tables of oil. I'm gonna show you guys my own way. I'm gonna show you guys my own way of cooking a Jamaican style oxtail. All right, this is my way. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna show you guys my way of cooking here. Put the brown sugar. It's about 2.5 tablespoons. That will give it a little brown in here. When it comes to cooking, I said you can always tweak any cooking that you want to cook. Just tweak it your own way. And I'm gonna take the oxtail and I'll do it one by one. Just a little bit. I'm gonna be cooking it up here for about, I'll say, 10-15 minutes, and I'm gonna put the rest. I'm gonna finish it in the oven. My wife, she cooks the Filipino way, but she likes the Jamaican style. A little tweak that I did to it, she likes that, this one. And the other goodies here, the mix that I did earlier. Let's simmer together. Let's simmer it a little bit. Okay, now it's done here, 15-20 minutes. I cooked it here. So I'm gonna put it inside the oven now. And I'm gonna show you guys the finished product in about, I got 350, I'll leave it for about a half an hour to tenderize it. And I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. So, later! It's been 20 minutes, it's been simmering. And I'm gonna show you guys how to make this, the watery here, a little bit thick in about, I'll say, about another 20 minutes. I'll show you guys how to make it a little bit thick. All right, it's gonna go back in again. All right, see you in 20 minutes. Ha-ha. Gotta make it the sauce a little bit thick. I'll show you my own way. Grab gravy here, put 1 tablespoon of flour, mix it. I'm gonna put more water, more juice. Mix it. The flour will make the sauce thick. And put it back in the oven again for about, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. And that should be done. Complete. Finish before I get burned. Gonna make that sauce a little thicker. If you had more browning sauce to make it a little darker, if you like darker, it's fine, but for us, all right, put it back. Let me cover it. That one. Cover it. All right, put it back in there. Give it another 15 minutes, and I'm gonna show you guys the final product in about 5 more minutes. So, as I said, I was gonna show you guys the final product here. So let me show you guys the final product. So here we got the oxtail, the salad, and then the rice. Bon appetit, okay? So I hope you guys can easily make this dish. This is my liking, and I did the oxtail to my adjustment. I didn't put the scotch pepper because the kids are eating here. So I just basically made to my liking. You don't have to do exactly how the Jamaican cook the oxtail. So I did it my way. I added a little bit their touch, my touch, and that's my final work. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this video. Thank you very much, and happy Family Day to everybody out there. See ya! Yay! كما ما دني سيدي من بيكو كيسا